Lots of people like to assume we have no impact on the future, but small actions we do every single day change our country. When we fight with our fellow Americans, we divide our country further apart than it has been in decades. Scrolling through social media isn't just silly cat videos anymore. It's a war zone, full of conflict and antagonism. With hate spreading fast and no one agreeing on what to do about it, the future seems pretty grim for our country. But if we take the initiative to stop this, there's hope to turn it all around and get back on track. The very foundation of the way America is run is bound to cause disagreement. We're a democracy, and a proud one at that. And democracy means disagreement. But that isn't the problem. As with any functioning society, people are going to have different opinions, and there's not a lot you can do about that. But then what am I talking about? I'm talking about hostility. I'm talking about the way we villainize others and victimize ourselves. I'm talking about the simple notion that we all seem to endorse it. Their side is wrong. Their side is bad. My side is right. My side is good. And because of that, anyone who is on their side is my enemy. But that's more harmful than you realize. We are all Americans. We all want our family and friends to be healthy and happy. We all want peace within our country. We all pledge allegiance to the state, to the same star-spangled banner. We all call the same land home. And if we would just slow down and acknowledge that we have so much in common, we might realize how absurd the arguing and the hate sounds. We are supposed to be the United States of America. It is sewn into the very fabric of what it means to be part of this country, to be united. My family has a golden retriever named Daisy. We take her on walks all the time, and whenever we pass another group of people, she's the first one to make friends. She never asks who they voted for. She just assumes that they're good people inside, instead of assuming that they're bad or misinformed or strange. Because unlike us, Daisy is able to see past their beliefs or views and focus on who they are as a person. And that allows her to be open-minded, friendly, and less judgmental. It's a little far-fetched, but in all honesty, we could stand to learn from Daisy. With all the media and propaganda we consume every day, it's hard to decipher what's reliable and what's just there to stir up hatred and conflict. Hard, but not impossible. So if we look past people's initial views and what side they're on, and instead see everyone as fellow Americans, this country will become kinder, more open, and a better place for everyone. We are still building America. Do we want to build it to be divided? What if instead we built it to be united? What can we learn from people with experiences different from our own? As we move forward, remember, the future isn't something we wait for, it's something that we create.